Hi, this is a quick review of the GROWNSY Detergent washing tablets. Comes in 130 pieces, comes in four packets. So we use these bottle washer tablets daily for bottles, pump parts, cups, and sometimes 5 to 6 cycles per day. So switching to GROWNSY detergent tablets has been a total game changer. This is the updated tablets. This is more thicker. The older ones are more flat and bigger. But see the difference, the newer ones. So I pop one tablet in each load, and everything from nipples to sports bottles comes out spotless, odor free. So no residue. It's compatible across all brands. So whether you use Momcozy, Baby Brezza, or Papablic bottle washers, even a hand wash routine, these tablets work flawlessly. Why I love these tablets is that it loads finished clean and dry, so no scrubbing or re-rinsing, and it works consistently, so even after weeks of daily use. So overall, if you rely on bottle cleaning machine, especially with pump accessories, the GROWNSY tablets deliver excellent results, fresh packaging, long-term value. So highly recommend it.